I'm super excited today. Bathing suit.
Okay, bathing suit. She decided to go to the beach later today. Fashion, locks, lifestyle. Big emphasis on the locks portion today because we're going to be doing a hair show at Creative Styles with Mrs. Santia. Super excited about what she's going to do today. Layla didn't go to church today because she wasn't feeling good around Tuesday. So I've been keeping her at home. So she's going to have a little hair show of her own later. I'm going to do her hair because it needs some TLC. So we're gonna have a hair show later, okay? Just me and you and the shampoo. Ezra! See you guys later. We're here. Y'all like my makeup? I got my makeup on. I washed and dried my lashes. I ain't got my Diana Rosses on today. I just got on, I don't know what to call these. And this is how my hair was underneath the turban I had on. But I want to show you guys what my hair looks like before. I'm excited for her to do my hair though. And I'm excited to see what she's gonna do because I'm not big on retwists. I actually really like freeform, or at least semi-freeform. But I'm not opposed to getting retwisted either. You can't see Ezra's hair. He got a haircut yesterday, or not a haircut, but an edge up. What do you think she's gonna do to my hair, Ezra?
I'm not sure. I can't imagine what she would come up with, but I'm pretty sure it'll be good.
Yeah, I know she's gotta wash it for sure and then condition it. I'm really excited about her using her shampoo and conditioner. When you were here and you got your hair done, did she use her shampoo and conditioner? Did she have it yet? You don't know if she used your... Okay. We're just waiting. I think that's her pulling up now. Even trying to call my Romeo, hey. Dang, Canada Dry. We is here. We're at Creative Styles. Will you stop? We're at Creative Styles. Y'all, look at my hair. I'm so excited. See, this is the front of the shop. There we go. Creative Styles Salon and Spa. So excited. Y'all like me? My outfit. Ooh, Ezra, you look cute. Okay. Good morning. Is it morning still? No, it's not morning. Good afternoon. I'm like, is it morning? But you're gonna have people in here. Yeah. This sucks. No, it's cool. We is gonna go live. We is live. We live right now. It's her. I just realized that's her.
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in with me today. My first product, it didn't have any scent to it, but it was a really good moisturizer. So down the line, I had decided to add some scent. It's for thinning hair and bald spots. It's really soft and cream-like. Some people like to use it on their skin too.
Being quiet because she's filming behind me. But yeah, so excited. She's gonna do 2-strand twists in my hair.
We're going to be using my therapeutic shampoo. It's filled with aloe vera, plenty of nutrients, lavender, and eucalyptus. And you only need just a little bit. And I always shampoo the hair using lukewarm water. And you only need a little bit to lather it up. And I am gonna do just a little bit of the conditioner. It's aloe vera based. You see how it just easily pumps right out. It's really, really light, and it smells really good. It's lightweight. There, the hair is just gonna eat it. My product is vegan friendly. It's just like, I mean, when you out here eating McDonald's, what's gonna happen? That's a whole bunch of saturated fat, and it's gonna go to your stomach. But when your hair is eating my product, which are vegan friendly, it's gonna show. Your hair gonna have a good shine. It's gonna be growing. And it's good stuff for your hair. And twist it on up. Now on that one I had used some of the peppermint. And again, like I was saying earlier, with the peppermint hair butter, it's antifungal and it's antibacterial, which is really important when you have locks, because locks hold lint. You get so much stuff in your locks on a day-to-day basis, so you're going to want to put something in your hair that's antibacterial just to fight against everything that's bad. Like I said, with women, sometimes, you know how women get yeast infections and stuff? Sometimes that yeast will come up on your scalp. You'll be thinking that you have dandruff, and all along it's yeast. Feels so good. My scalp feels great. Smells good too.
It looks like roast donut. That was wonderful. My hair looks so good. My scalp feels so good. Okay, the styles. Now to go home and get ready for the beach. I know that seems asinine. You just got your hair done and now you're going to the beach. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to wrap it really good. Oh, you driving? We gotta go home and change for the beach, and we gotta get Layla Beanie. What are you doing, Layla?
Wait a minute.
No, you wait a minute. Don't call this opportunity.
You must share, Layla.
Can somebody pass me?
Ah, what a nice end to the day, Ezra. Layla got what she wanted. Layla, come here. Say bye to everybody on YouTube.
Bye, everybody.
Fashion Locks Lifestyle.
Bye. I'm the Fashion Pedestrian.
Thanks you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at The Fashion Pedestrian, on my personal page at Faith Fangirl. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already and press the bell for notifications. Love you guys. Jesus is Lord. See you guys next time. Bye.